Avocado oil is the game changer your skincare routine has been missing, and I'm about to show you how it can transform your skin. When it comes to achieving that radiant glow, we're always on the lookout for the next big thing. But what if I told you that the solution has been right under our noses all along? Avocado oil is packed with nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants that can take your skin to the next level. And today, I'm excited to share with you the secrets of how to harness its power. From improving skin elasticity to reducing inflammation, the benefits of avocado oil are undeniable. And as we dive deeper, you'll discover why it's become a staple in many skincare routines. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of this miracle oil? Avocado oil is more than just a trend, it's a game changer. And once you learn how to incorporate it into your daily routine, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Avocado oil has been used for centuries, dating back to ancient Mesoamerican civilizations. They prized it for its healing properties, using it to treat everything from sunburns to skin conditions. Fast forward to today, and we're still reaping the rewards of this nutritious oil. But what makes avocado oil so special? For starters, it's rich in vitamins A, D, and E, as well as fatty acids that deeply nourish and moisturize the skin. It's also an incredible antioxidant, shielding your skin from environmental stressors and promoting cell regeneration. Avocado oil is incredibly versatile, too. You can use it as a moisturizer, a hair mask, or even a makeup remover. The possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to share some of my favorite ways to incorporate it into your skincare routine. In many Latin American countries, avocado oil is a staple in beauty routines. Women have been using it for generations to achieve that signature glow, and it's about time we caught on. From nourishing dry skin to calming acne-prone complexions, avocado oil is the ultimate multitasker. And when you learn how to use it correctly, the results are nothing short of astonishing. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of avocado oil? Whether you're struggling with fine lines, dark spots, or dullness, this miracle oil can help. First, let's talk about one of my favorite ways to use avocado oil, as a facial moisturizer. Simply massage a few drops into your skin after cleansing, and watch as your complexion transforms. Your skin will feel softer, smoother, and more radiant than ever before. You can also use avocado oil as a hair mask to nourish and strengthen your locks. Simply warm the oil between your hands, massage it into your scalp, and let it work its magic. But here's the secret to making avocado oil work wonders for your skin. It's all about consistency and patience. With regular use, you'll start to notice a significant difference in your skin's texture, tone, and overall appearance. The results are nothing short of remarkable. I've seen it for myself, and I've heard from countless women who've experienced transformational results with avocado oil. One of the most impressive things about avocado oil is its ability to regenerate skin cells. This means that with regular use, you can say goodbye to fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. But don't just take my word for it. I've seen countless women who've achieved stunning results with avocado oil. From reducing acne scars to fading hyperpigmentation, the before and after photos are nothing short of phenomenal. So, what's holding you back from achieving the skin of your dreams? With avocado oil, the possibilities are endless. In conclusion, avocado oil is a skincare powerhouse that deserves a place in your daily routine. Whether you're looking to nourish, protect, or transform your skin, this miracle oil has got you covered. Remember, the key to achieving luminous skin is consistency and patience. With regular use, you'll be on your way to the radiant complexion you've always dreamed of. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you have any experiences with avocado oil, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks, and be sure to check out my next video on the benefits of coconut oil. Happy skincare journeying, and I'll see you in the next video.